There's no need to speculate about what the Pixel 8 Pro will look like, as Google has already shown us its upcoming flagship. It is essentially no different from the Pixel 7 Pro, as it uses the same design as before. The only major difference concerns the Pixel 8 Pro's matte glass, which essentially makes it more resistant to fingerprints. The design, in the form of a combination of glass and metal bezels, is common to the two devices, as is the prominent camera hump on the back. However, Google has changed the camera unit a bit. The Pixel 8 Pro has it made up of a single piece of glass, rather than having a gap like the Pixel 7 Pro, where the main lens is separate from the wide-angle lens. Another design change for the Pixel 8 Pro is the flat display, as opposed to the slightly curved edges of the Pixel 7 Pro. This could change the feel of the device. Finally, it looks like the Pixel 8 Pro will feature a temperature sensor that will be located next to the camera on the back of the smartphone. Most people will assume that it will measure body temperature, much like the Apple Watch Ultra does. However, it could also be used to measure the temperature of other objects. According to all the rumors, the Pixel 8 Pro will retain the same display as the Pixel 7 Pro. This time around, Google will have to work on one of the major drawbacks of the Pixel 7 Pro's display: its poor brightness. Fortunately, it looks like this is the problem that the company is going to address, as the Pixel 8 Pro will feature a Super Actua display that guarantees greater brightness. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to get a more powerful camera: 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Of course, increasing the specs of the Pixel 8 Pro is always a nice touch that will lead to better performance, but it looks like the focus will be on optimization rather than hardware. If the Pixel 7 Pro had its own set of features such as cinematic mode and active stabilization, the Pixel 8 Pro will have more of them. For example, the Pixel 8 Pro may get staggered HDR for more evenly composed photos. Secondly, the Pixel 8 Pro will have a video unblur feature that will work similarly to photo unblur in the Pixel 7 Pro. It will edit out-of-focus videos and make them crisp. Finally, a video recently surfaced that talks about Audio Magic Eraser, a feature that will remove unwanted background noise from videos shot on the Pixel 8 Pro. Another important avenue in which the Pixel 8 Pro could be better than the Pixel 7 Pro is performance. The Tensor G2 chip used in the Pixel 7 Pro performed poorly in tests in synthetic benchmarks such as 3D Mark. As a result, this will put more pressure on the Pixel 8 Pro, which is expected to be powered by the more advanced Tensor G3 chip. Thanks to a massive specs leak, this has been a crucial factor in confirming the existence of the Tensor G3. The performance of this chip will be higher and will be able to have enough power to introduce new features. The Pixel 7 Pro has a 5,000 amp-hour battery, which unfortunately was worse than other comparable smartphones. In Tom's Guide benchmark test, battery life averaged 8 hours and 4 minutes, while most smartphones last 10 hours or more. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature a 4,150 amp-hour battery. Android 14 may feature other improvements to make the smartphone more power efficient with a smaller battery capacity. On the other hand, the wired and wireless charging situation of the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't look very favorable. Google Pixel 8 Pro has weighty improvements when compared to the Pixel 7 Pro. While some things about it remain unchanged, there's no denying that Google is focusing on the user experience rather than the hardware. Sure, we can expect improvements in camera performance, battery life, and display brightness, but everything will depend on the one factor that has historically made Pixel smartphones attractive. It's about its price. Last year's Pixel 7 Pro gave consumers everything they've come to expect from a flagship, but it also cost $899. That's less than the $999 that most modern flagships cost, like the iPhone 15 Pro, and far less than ultra-premium smartphones like the Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If the rumors of a price hike for the Pixel 8 Pro turn out to be true, the company will have to prove to people that a $100 price hike is justified.